What is up, you guys? It is Jeff here. Today we are going to be playing a game, and I just want you all to know that I pretty much hate clowns, I hate mannequins, I hate spiders, and I am very easily to be scared. And so, we are going to be seeing if we can find a horror game to play. So we're going to search for those. Yeah. So now you all. Okay, so this is what we need to do. Okay, WASD to move, space to jump, and M for map. Okay. That's weird. I'm not supposed to do that. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so we're gonna be trying something else then. Oops. Take the wrong one. I don't want to do the Calm Nights, but let's do it anyway. I really hate clowns. They're not fun. Not one bit. You all are wondering, don't ever mess with a clown. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. No, I just don't. I'm not gonna look at the screen until it's done loading. So, if you guys' days are going great, then that's good. I'm glad you all are. My day's going pretty well, I think, and it's still, okay. Let's just get this game going. Play. There are 7 nights. I'll do this in each episode, so this is gonna be the first night that we're gonna do this, and I don't like clowns. You all know that. I might do 2 nights on here, probably 3. If I can get through this whole thing, that'll be great. I just don't like clowns, that's the problem. And yes, I'm sounding so much better. I can finally talk. And everything. I can talk, I can do all sorts of things. And, yeah. That's pretty much how it goes. And I forgot that I had to click on the screen. So it's like Five Nights at Freddy's, but way different. Don't breathe in my ear, please. Don't breathe in my ear. Don't breathe in my ear. I don't like that sound. I don't like it. I don't like it. What is going on? That's not good. That's not nice. There's nothing on the stage. What's going on here? Anyone at the door? Anyone at the doors? Doesn't look like it. Oh. circus. Amazing. Oh, you're there. No wonder why I didn't see anyone coming down the hallways. Why me? It's only 12 a.m. No. Don't you think about it. You stay there, sir, please. Thank you. I am not liking this. This is not fun. This is not fun at all. Why am I not coming out here? It's 1 a.m. and I only have 77%. So, oh, that clown. Those things bug me right there, too. I just don't think this is right at all. This is not right. Okay, gotta save up power. No. No baby crying. No baby crying. Is it there? Okay, you're still there. Ha! Ho! Hi, mister. No wonder I found a crying noise. Oh, you moved from your spot. Don't be at the doors. Please stay where you are. Please stay there, sir. Thank you very much. If you got, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Where's he at? Please tell me he's bigger. You are really close. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. You're gone. Where'd he go? Oh, there's two of them. Oh, you're there? Where'd you, what? Then what else is out there? Something moved. I know something moved. Nah. Oh, no. No. This is not right. This is not fun. Wait. Are you at the door? Ah! You go away. I don't like clowns. Pretend they are not there. Pretend they are gone for good. And you're right there, and you're not there, and you're still there. Stop scratching at my door! Go away! I don't like you. Meanies. I don't want to. Where my door? Are you gone? Okay, you're gone. Okay, then. See. You stay there. Where'd the fat one go? The chubby one's still there. There's the other fatty. You skinny one, you stay there. I don't like it. Fat one is still there. Skinny one's still there. Okay, good. Okay, good. I'm doing good. I'm doing great. This is so much like Five Nights at Freddy's. But instead it's Clown Night. Fat one is still over there. The fat one moved. I knew the second fat one moved. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? You fatty, stay there. Where's the chubby one? I don't like you. Oh, I don't like you. No. Oh, shit. No. Oh, I jumped. I scared myself. I don't like clowns. Why? I just feel like crying. Finally, you're gone. Okay, door open. You stay there. Chubby one, you stay there. No. No! Don't want to. Oh, I don't like it. Oh. Oh, that scared me. Okay. Oh, I don't like it. No. We're gonna give this another try, you guys. We're gonna make sure we beat this level. Okay, those two stay there. There's that one. Oh, don't breathe in my ear, please. Okay, so I have to. Oh, so these are the three. Okay, so the fat one was never there. So I have to keep an eye on both of you. You guys are like the only ones here. No wonder why. No. Don't you dare. Whoa. Fatty. You need to stop moving. Your little friends are staying put like they're supposed to. I don't like this. But I hate clowns. I really do. They're not my favorite thing. What's coming down the hallways? Anyone down the hallways? There's no one down the hallways. Oh, the footsteps, I swear. My chest is all tightened up because I get scared so easily. Okay, I need to stop wasting, So it's just number 2 and number 3. Number 2 and number 9 is what I have to take care of. Oh, I don't like it. I really don't.
Hi!
They moved. No. Don't like clowns.
Hey!
I'm
Hi!
recording.
What are you doing?
I'm recording. Hi.
Do me a favor.
I'm playing a scary game. I'm scaring the heck out of myself. I can't.
Then stop it.
What?
Start all over again.
I don't want to start over.
You have a choice. I'm gonna talk all the way through the whole thing. Okay,
you guys. I'm gonna leave the episode here on night 1. Please don't breathe in my ear. I'm doing something. I have to go and do my assignments for school. I will do another episode sooner or later. I'll catch you all later. And if you like this video, please stab the like button. And I will see all you in the next video. Catch you all killers later. Bye bye.